3. Essential Chinese ink. Brush techniques for beginners. Beginner-friendly ink brush techniques. Mastering these 3 brush techniques will help you create ink paintings with structure, strength, and texture. Part 1. Center stroke, the foundation of strong, expressive lines. Best for bamboo stalks, tree branches, orchid leaves, calligraphy lines. How to practice. Hold the brush vertically. Keep the tip centered throughout the stroke. Apply even pressure to create smooth, rounded lines. Practice. Draw 10 straight lines and 10 curves. Keep them continuous and steady, no shakiness. Part 2. Side stroke. Side stroke adds natural texture and dynamic variation. Best for tree bark, rock surfaces, flower petals. How to practice. Tilt the brush 30 to 45°. Use the brush belly to touch the paper. Vary pressure for expressive texture. Practice. Use side strokes to draw tree trunks or petals. Focus on creating lively, textured marks. Part 3. Kun method. Kun method builds form and structure in rocks and landscapes. Common styles. Style description. Best for axe cut kun. Strong, angular strokes, steep cliffs, and mountains. Hemp fiber. Kun. Soft, layered strokes. Rolling hills, raindrop. Kun. Short, dot-like strokes. Thank you for watching.